This is how billions of mangoes are harvested every year. Orchards stretching across vast land, filled with ripe fruit, each tree carrying dozens, sometimes hundreds of mangoes, carefully grown and harvested at the perfect moment. Thousands of workers moving through the fields, collecting fruit with speed and precision. Every mango picked, handled, and sorted, because even at this scale, quality matters, from tree to crate to global markets. This is mango farming at massive scale. Every harvest begins years before the fruit appears. It starts with a single sapling, planted with care. The soil is prepared, enriched, and controlled. Water systems are installed, feeding every plant, day by day. The trees begin to grow, from small shoots into strong fruit-bearing trees, each one carefully maintained and monitored, rows expanding across massive farmland until the land transforms into a full orchard, ready to produce millions of mangoes. Growing millions of mangoes requires constant care. Every tree needs the right amount of water at the right time. Drip irrigation delivers moisture directly to the roots, ensuring zero waste and maximum efficiency. Nutrients are supplied through the same system, feeding each plant, sunlight, water, and soil working together. Farmers carefully prune branches, guiding healthy growth, protecting the trees from pests and disease. Every detail is controlled, monitored, and adjusted, because perfect conditions lead to perfect harvests. As the trees mature, a transformation begins. Small blossoms appear, covering entire orchards, each flower carrying the potential for fruit. Pollination triggers the next stage, and tiny mangoes begin to form. Day by day, they grow larger, fed by nutrients, water, and sunlight. Branches slowly become heavier with fruit until every tree is filled with developing mangoes. This is where the harvest truly begins to take shape. After weeks of growth, the fruit begins to change. Green slowly turns into vibrant shades of yellow and orange, each mango reaching perfect ripeness, heavy branches bending under the weight. Farmers carefully inspect every fruit, checking color, texture, and timing, because harvesting too early reduces quality. Too late, and the fruit is lost. Across the orchard, the moment arrives, the harvest is ready to begin. This is where the real work begins. Thousands of mangoes, harvested every hour, each one picked by hand, with precision. Special tools are used to reach higher branches, ensuring the fruit remains undamaged. Teams move together, covering entire rows. Speed, coordination, and experience. Every mango collected, sorted, and transferred from tree to crate in minutes. This is harvesting at massive scale. Once harvested, the next step is sorting. Every mango is inspected, one by one, separated by size, color, and quality. Only the best fruit moves forward. Advanced machines assist the process, ensuring speed and accuracy. Defective fruit is removed immediately, while perfect mangoes continue down the line, sorted, graded, and packed, preparing for the next stage of the journey. Before packaging, every mango must be cleaned. Dirt, dust, and residue are completely removed. The fruit passes through multiple washing stages, water, pressure, and controlled cleaning systems, ensuring every surface is spotless, carefully rinsed, and prepared for drying. Air systems remove excess moisture, leaving behind clean, fresh fruit, ready for the next step, because quality is everything. After cleaning, the mangoes move to packaging, each fruit carefully handled to avoid damage, sorted again, based on size and quality, placed into boxes with precision, protected, sealed, and labeled. Every box prepared for transport, tracked through digital systems, ensuring every shipment is accounted for. From farm to market, this is how the supply chain begins. Once packed, the mangoes enter cold storage. Temperature is carefully controlled to preserve freshness. Every box stored in precise conditions, slowing down ripening and preventing spoilage. Massive warehouses hold thousands of shipments, monitored constantly, day and night. Air circulation systems maintain uniform cooling, ensuring quality remains intact until the moment they are shipped, because freshness must be protected. From farm to the world, mangoes travel across thousands of miles through highways, railways, and oceans, reaching markets across different countries. Every shipment carefully controlled, maintaining freshness throughout the journey, from massive farms to global distribution centers, and finally to stores and markets, ready for consumers everywhere. This is a global supply chain in motion, from a single seed to trees filled with fruit, grown with precision, and harvested at scale. Every step carefully controlled, every mango part of a massive system, feeding millions around the world. This is not just farming, this is one of the largest food production systems on Earth, and it all begins with a single tree.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Listen up, everyone. Tools are ready. Let's move out to the south field.
Best ones yet.
Make sure they go to the packing station immediately.
A little further left with the flatbed? Okay, hold it right there.
ready? Temperature is controlled precisely.
A little more to the right. Okay, set it down slowly. Copy that. Watch your step coming out.
Chiến nét thẳng thắn thái, thẳng thẳng nát, chắp.
These mangoes are incredibly sweet this year.
Abuela always picks the best ones.
Good morning. Try this one, it's very sweet.
Wow, that is perfect.
I'll take this whole one.
All right, coming right up.